Suddenly you look at your lawn and you notice yellow grass popping up all over the place. Now it might be mixed in with some good grass like this. You may have spots or lines or much larger sections, but if you don't do anything about this, you'll eventually lose much bigger parts of your yard or the whole thing, because the cause of it is not going to stop because it's insect damage. Now nobody likes to talk about bugs, and there's a whole slew of them that'll go after your lawn. And as a homeowner, you're probably never going to figure out what type of insect you have on your lawn that's causing all these problems, but what you will know is the damage will come on suddenly, and it won't often make any sense, meaning you might have gotten a lot of rain or even fertilized recently, and yet your lawn is still suddenly looking bad. And I know you don't want to be a bug expert, but you do need to understand that they live in two places. They can either live in the soil itself, where they attack the roots, or in the grass plant, where they might go at the base or the blades themselves. And in the old days, you had to buy two different insecticides, and many times you would pick the wrong one and you wouldn't even get rid of the bug that was causing you the troubles. But fortunately, there's a better way to get rid of all the insects in your lawn that you don't want, and you can do it in a single step with one product. No liquids to measure, no sprayers, because this product is granular. That means you can put it in your rotary spreader and just apply it like you would your regular fertilizer. And that's exactly what I did 2 weeks ago when I put this product on my lawn. Now I noticed some damage about a month ago, but unfortunately I ignored it thinking it was some type of heat stress, and it was in fact insect damage. Now remember, when you see damage that comes on suddenly, your lawn kind of pulls away, those are almost always telltale sign that you've got an issue with a type of bug. And this summer was especially bad because of the heat and a lot of rain and then periods of drought. I got tons of messages and pictures of people's lawns with all sorts of weird looking damage that they'd never had before. And if you're not sure what's going on, putting down an insecticide can still be a good idea because you likely have some sort of pest in the lawn, and this will help you get rid of them. Now when you're done putting it down, I really recommend that you water it in. And watering it activates the product because remember, it does two things. It goes into the soil and it also remains on the surface so that you're fighting both types of bugs. And 2 weeks later, you can see that my lawn is looking a whole lot better. Now after you put this stuff down, you want to help your lawn recover, so make sure you're watering regularly, and also recommend fertilizing your lawn if you haven't done it recently to help give it an extra boost. And the other good news is treating insects is better if you do it sooner, but it's never too late. Even if your lawn is a mess right now, take the time to do one treatment to get those bugs under control so that your lawn can recover, you can have a better fall, and enjoy the next season with a healthier looking lawn. Insect control isn't exciting, but if you're going to have a nice lawn, it's something you definitely need to know about, and this Duo-Side is a lot easier if you're going to treat your lawn yourself. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already for more videos coming up.